Hey everyone, I know I look weird. I'm literally wearing like the weirdest outfit, but I thought I would take you behind the scenes of my course creation process. I've never really successfully done this because every time I try to do a vlog like this, I end up rushing to the finish line and just being too busy to vlog. So hopefully this works out. But I'm doing the voiceovers today. I'm not gonna get through all of them because I have a lot and we have about 10 lessons, or modules rather. And I'm through 1.5 and I'm already like tired. So I print off this thing. I print out like the outline just so that I can go through it on paper and not have to be switching in between tabs while I'm screen sharing. But I'm gonna go ahead and get through the next module or so, and then I need to eat dinner because I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. Hello everyone, happy Thursday. This week is just a little nuts. It's a good week, but I'm launching a course, in the final stages of planning a wedding, finishing a bunch of client projects because I'm trying to take a week and a half off for said wedding. So it's just been a busy week, but I just had a call with, it was like a networking call, a new platform, a new SaaS platform basically, reached out to me and they wanted me to, one, test their product, but they also want me to do some workshops, which is really exciting to me. I've been doing a lot more speaking and education, which is cool. It's like all happening, but it's all happening at once, which is fine. So it was really nice, super sweet, excited to learn more about it. And then I have a mastermind call tonight at 6 in the Freelance Friday Club. About 3:15 now, so I'm going to take these next couple hours and work on editing my course. I did half of the voiceovers and slides earlier this week, and now I just have to edit those content pieces and edit the rest on Saturday, and hopefully we're launching on Sunday. It's really fast, but I think we're going to make it happen. Cheers. Hey everyone, welcome. First I want to say thank you and congratulations to everybody for making it this far and still sticking with it. And also a big thank you to everyone for joining. This is a beta program, so you were the first to go through this program. Same exact camera setup as last time, coffee, million things going on. I'm gonna take this off because I'm hot. I have a stain on my t-shirt, just warning you guys in advance. I know I look wild in today's episode. It is what it is. This is real life. Time to record some voiceovers. Let's do it. <sighs> 6:46 p.m. on Friday, and I am finally done with my voiceovers. I think I have a few screen recordings that I still have to do, but those are pretty easy for me. I might end up doing those tomorrow. Now tonight I have to edit these slides, these voiceovers that I did, but I'm gonna take a little break and just sit and stare at a wall or something for now. Yeah. Saturday. I had a late night last night. I got a lot of stuff done. I have a couple of voiceovers to still edit. I have one more voiceover that I missed. I forgot to do it, so I'm gonna do that in a little bit. Get my voice warmed up a little bit first. And then I just have screen shares to do. I mostly did all of them, but I have just a couple, which is fine. Those are kind of easy because I'm just doing something and talking about it on the screen. So that's gonna be my day today. And then lastly, I'll just be kind of going over the course, making sure everything looks good. I know Megan on my team, she has really been managing the back end for me, which has been such an amazing help. So I'm just gonna kind of work behind her. Just two eyes are better than one. Hopefully I'm wrapping this baby up today. Good morning, it's Monday. And I relaunched my signature course last night. We did. Definitely was not a solo effort. Megan on my team was a huge help. And so today's kind of like officially launch day. We soft launched it last night, meaning that we just updated the course for, you know, the existing students. But today I'm going to actually go live with it and talk about it. I'm doing a webinar and stuff like that to kind of get the word out about it. So very exciting stuff. This week is, I can't believe I'm saying this, but it's my wedding week. It's my birthday week. So this is my last week in the office. I'll only be, hopefully, if all goes according to plan, working Monday through Wednesday. So it should be a pretty chill week and hopefully a kind of a fun vlog. Also, this morning is going to be really fun. Actually it's happening this afternoon at noon, but we're doing the pitch competition for the social media management accelerator. So this was something that I decided to do, get volunteers, it's not required, share their little pitch, kind of pretend like they are pitching for an agency, you know, as the agency for one of the mock brands that we've been working with. They can compete. We've got a couple judges, and 99 Designs very generously sponsored the pitch competition and is giving away a really fantastic prize to the winner. So hopefully I can continue that partnership with them in the future for future iterations of this. They're not sponsoring this video, but I'm going to give them a shout out because they were super generous. I did a video all about my experience with them. I got my new logo created through 99 Designs. I'm going to leave my video linked over here if you want to check it out. But yeah, so they were sponsoring, and then I decided to throw in some prizes as well from my programs, and our judges did too. So like the winner is going to be winning $1,600 worth of stuff, and I'm like, that is a sweet deal. You pay $300 to get access to this program, and you have the potential to win 16. That's pretty great. So I'm excited for that. I know that I am very fortunate, very grateful to have, you know, a safe, nice place to live. I think they're here right now, but I was about to complain. I mean, I'm not trying to complain, but I am complaining because basically every day this week there's going to be random people in my apartment, people taking window cleaning stuff and an apartment inspection, and I'm like, cool, so I guess I'll just be on guard the whole time. But I'm gonna eat breakfast and send out an email to my course people, anyone who's attending the pitch competition, just to make sure that they all have the link. I'm gonna prepare for my meeting with Megan. I have an 11 a.m. with her before the pitch competition, and eat some brekkie. Pitch competition done. It was so intense I had to take my jacket off. I hit my tooth on a glass, which every time I do that I'm worried my tooth is gonna fall out. So, but I have just been editing Canva graphics ever since, because I want to do like a little Instagram story celebrating the winner, and I should have thought about that beforehand. But the cool thing is, like, now all of this stuff is done. So next time I run the accelerator, I got my templates, and matter of fact, let me save this as SMMA pitch competition. So that way, next time I can just plop these in there. Boom, 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 boom. We're ready. But that was super fun. I'm gonna put the winner, her Instagram handle up here. I also wanna thank our judges. Oh my gosh, so generous, so amazing, so insightful. Alicia Garza of Mushu Studios. She is a graphic designer and a writer. She is absolutely fantastic. She's working with me on a project. She's gonna kill me because I'm being a nightmare client for her, because I'm taking my good old time getting my stuff over to her. I'm sorry, Alicia. But we're working on an amazing project, and I could just say, as her client, she's amazing, truly, like, privilege and honor to work with her. And then Megan Krepikevich, who is a YouTuber. She's a mindset coach, and she also happens to be my right-hand team member on my team. She is amazing. She helps me with so much stuff. She is so smart. She's such a good marketer and writer and mindset coach. I mean, I'm not one of her coaching clients, but I feel like I am because every time we have a meeting, I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know. I'm not sure about this. I'm doubting myself. And she's like, no, charge more, do this, do that. And just very positive. So both of those ladies are amazing. I'm gonna do my landing page video. I'm actually gonna do a webcam style, one because I'm running out of time, and two, because I think it's a little bit more personal. I'm gonna try something that's a little less polished and produced. We can always do polished and produced later if this doesn't seem to be converting. Hey there, what's up? I see you scrolling the social media management roadmap. Creepy cab driver next to me. I'm so tired of creepy people. Anyway, I just got my hair done, a blowout, and I was like, I'm so hungry. Where can I get avocado toast? And then I was like, Latasha, you have toast. Just go grab some avocado. So I ran to Whole Foods and I'm gonna go home and make some avocado toast. That's the highlight of my day. But yeah, I got some revisions I gotta get done for clients and stuff like that. So let's go home. Just had a really nice call about a potential partnership with a brand that I really love and work with every day. I said something in a video before about how like I don't like to talk about, you know, money, income, numbers, anything like that. Not that I'm like, I don't got it like that, you guys, I swear. But this is why, because there are really bad people out there. So now I need to go through individually, sure, all of my transactions. This is not what I want to be doing the last day before I go on vacation. I just don't like bad people. I don't like liars. I don't like bad people. Just had an amazing coaching call. It made me feel better in the moment. I had an hour not thinking about this situation. I was actually thinking about canceling it, which I never do, but I was like, this is like kind of a serious issue, and I was in a really bad mood, but I didn't cancel it, and honestly it made me feel so much better selfishly, just because I love this client. She's awesome, and I don't know, just getting yourself out of that stress for a moment helps, you know? Now I am about to meet with my new bookkeeper. What a day. Didn't get anything I want. I planned to edit a video. I plan to edit our wedding video. It's cool though. Tomorrow's my birthday and I'm just gonna have a good time, you know? I know I'm like very chaotic energy in this video, but chaotic things are happening in my life. So I said it on my Instagram stories, but the rule number one of being self-employed is that something will always go wrong, particularly when it shouldn't go wrong. Like when you're gonna go on vacation or when a team member is out. I know I sound like I'm complaining, and I am kind of, somebody just stole from me. That sucks. But I also am saying this just because if you can be prepared for it, like if you know it's the day before vacation, something weird is gonna happen, you can prepare, you know? Or just know how to deal with it. Just know how to talk yourself down from it. I think that's another big thing. Like, yeah, I'm mad, but I can only do what I can do, you know? All right, let's get on this call. I've tried to record this clip like 3 times. Let's see if this one works. I don't want to make this depressing, but we're kind of ending on a depressing note. I think I'm gonna vlog this weekend. It's my wedding and it's my birthday tomorrow, so I'm gonna vlog that for my second channel. We don't have a wedding videographer, so I'm gonna have my nephew help me vlog and get some iPad videos and just for the memories, just for the memes, but I'll definitely vlog the weekend over there. So if you want to subscribe to that, you can check that out up here. Yeah, sorry this isn't more fun, guys. Sorry.